Alright, boys, we're back. So, I am still at the hotel. I'll be at my setup today for back testing. I don't know when this video will get uploaded because my back testing video from last night did not go planned because it did not upload. Got it done though, boys. I'll get that shit uploaded soon. Already posted like 3 videos yesterday, so still posted almost every single day. If not, I think every single day. Right now, we're making a bearish SMT. Let's X that out. Not taking those signals, boys. Not taking those signals. Yeah, we're making a bearish SMT. I'm not really sure where market wants to go because, okay, let's look at the 4 hour. 4 hours bullish. 1 hour technically still bullish, so but it's like a retracing equilibrium. We have relative equal hourly highs every here. You know, I'd like to say I'm bullish, but I want to see London lows get taken first. So if we take London lows, rotate higher, make a bullish SMT, complete this bearish SMT, then I want to trade all these draws on NASDAQ, just because NASDAQ's draws are significantly better than this one high on ES, you know. It really depends what market shows me. So indexes are completely opposite right now. To me right now, it just looks like we're manipulating these 5-minute lows to continue higher, which is honestly fine. It's just I really have to see bullish momentum on the 5 to want to take longs, just because we need to invalidate that bearish SMT. So like, yeah, we do have a 5-minute gap here that we could just inverse, and then that'll be enough for the 5 minutes to align with the higher time frame trend, and we already get this manipulation off rip. So let's see what market wants to do here. This next 5 minute. I'm not too worried about this high getting taken because it's not a very strong draw. We did just come off of a bearish 1 hour. So let's see if price wants to rotate higher here. If not, dude, we're going to come and take London lows. But if the indexes are opposite, I just don't want to take a trade right now. Let me just make sure everything's good. chilling in the hood. Motorcycle gets fucking shows. Chudler, bro. It's all good. Face a little swollen from all the shit I've been eating. Not gonna lie. Boys, just look at what we're trading to right now. Fucking bro, concrete fucking jungle though. See, this is where it gets to like a little worry zone for Longs, because ES is about to take this high, and that's like a pretty strong draw for Naz. So we could end up making another bearish SMT. I'm really gonna just pay attention what the 5 minutes show me, because if we just stay opposite, I'm gonna stay out of the markets, because then there's no real move happening. Okay, looks like Morgan wants to take London lows for show. This spanking, bro. Stop hesitating there. There we go. See if we get a reversal. Wonder where the CME is in Chicago. So I'm fucking close to that shit. Like over here, Gold Coast. What happened here, fam? Weird ass candle open. So if we reverse here on ES on the 5 minute, I'm all for taking shorts down to HLOs. Regardless, hourly, bear scat, or bull scat. Yeah, but still, where's our stronger draw? The fuck is... Oh, this is from me being a fucking... Cool. So this 5 minute here, so we're gonna play the reversal off of. So if this candle closes and versus this fiber, flip by is bearish, so I don't be waiting for a retrace. We will have a BPR here on MQ. So yeah, 5 minute gap here. 5 minute gap here. Not really sure. This is like the definition of a BPR. Well, it is, but the fact that we already came down and filled the imbalance, I don't know if it's technically valid. Well, we can only see. They're two huge imbalance zones, so I'll count it. But I'm really mainly just using this fair value gap anyway. Make sure my copy trading's set up. Again, this is a very zone where we could go either way. I actually prefer to be bullish. So have to wait another 5 minutes. Because again, like, this could still just be a reversal over the London lows, so I'm not happy trading until we inverse the gap on ES, especially against a higher time frame bullish trend. Yo, financial chart value. Wait, if you do shift and click, oh my god, I cannot believe I just figured that out. Oh my days, dude. How did I not know that shift just does it? What is option? Oh, I don't want to do that. Damn. Damn. Okay, command doesn't do anything. So it's just control does that. Option does this. Shift does this. Tab. Oh, one choose yes, one choose. Oh, so you go. Okay. Nice.
You learn something new every single day.
Alright, now we have to start coming up because I want to take my draw. I'm gonna manually have to set limits, dude. It's just gonna be S. Alright, so we're definitely gonna inverse F5 now. Okay, no. Come up. Main entry. Sorry for the background noise, boys. It's kind of annoying. Let's get a retrace here. But no way is the market obligated to give me a retrace before taking. As long as I would love you if you would. Come on, man. We need a retrace. A deep one as well. Fuck, I'm not golfing, bro. PPI, oh, March speaks at 10. Fuck no. $8:30 right there. Okay, we took a 30-minute. Oh, Asia is the main target though, so still see if we'll retrace. Once March speaks, dude, I am just not confident in anything. I don't know if I'll do much in the market though. Can't even like click into the news like this one.
Telling me to wait. Why would I wait when all of our draws and liquidity are about to get hit? There's nothing to wait.
Let's see if he entered a trade real quick. mean, we need to retrace a lot deeper to be able to get an entry. Alright, we just erased all of our retrace gains. I wonder if I could set a custom multiplier, no? Okay. Boys, I gotta piss. Ooh, Kevin Walsh. I'm gonna tap it down, you know. And we're back. Perfect. We'll get some Dunkin'. Let me see if I have points, by the way. Okay, we're getting this pullback. Let me just go through my checklist again. Clear hard time frame bias. Clear hard time frame bias is more bullish, but the 5 minutes align. Price broke structure to the downside on both. Yeah, we did. We're retracing. As long as ES doesn't inverse the 5, I'm chilling. Although I need NQ to come up higher, so it's like, what do I really want, you know? Only 279 points, dude. What can that give me? Oh. Still nothing. Can't even give me a fucking donut. It's just, we're just not gonna get an entry here. The next is our two opposite, bro. Okay, so we continue to hold this 5-minute gap, retracing a little deeper. We might poke our way into the 15. Yeah, this looks good, bro. Let's actually take this 1 minute high, make a 1 minute bearish SMT, and then rotate down off of that. Take it. Beautiful, beautiful. Rotate down. But we gotta close this candle. Invert the gap, and then I'll take the trade. Let me just go over. First in that 1 minute gap. Made the SMT off this high. In this high. Probably gonna end up taking this high. We're gonna have to reverse so hard soon. If we end up taking this high, we have to see the most strong reversal I've ever seen. Because we have to continue to hold this 5 minute, dude. Because I'm not going to take a trade against a trend when the 5 minutes do not align. In that 15 well, though. Honestly, the deeper we retrace, the less likely I am to take shorts at this point. I wanted a deeper retrace to get a better entry, but now this is like, it's just not good because ES is just looking like it's going to invert that gap, but we're in this 50. So like, okay, this is my thought process here. The retrace on NAS is good. The retrace on ES is bad because we're so deep into this 5 minute that we're probably not going to hold it. But if we do, so be it. I'll take shorts, you know? Alright, dude, let's see if we hold the 5 minute. Highly doubt it, bro. Yeah, there's no way. ES is already close to these highs. Held this hourly gap as well. Let's break 1 minute structure regardless. I'm not going to take shorts though. 5, 4, 3, 2, fuck. 1. Okay, we broke on ES. So if we break back to the upside on ES, I'm taking longs to this 4-hour high. Why? Because the higher time frame's bullish. We just inverse the gap on ES to the upside. This 1 minute break to the downside's a retrace. Let's move higher. So it's 400 over 25, 16. So now inverse the 5. Broke 1 minute structure the downside. About to break back to the upside. NQ's looking good. We got a 4-hour high to target. Price in the high as well. We'll see. Are you fucking kidding me, dude? Oh shit. 16 divided by, oh my god. I'm on ES, I completely forgot. 16 over 10. It's 2. Holy shit, I'm retarded. Oh my god, that might have just saved me. Do I still get in this, bro? Yeah, I do. Fucking hell, dude. I'm an idiot. Alright, we'll see. We did break structure to the upside. Do have a great break-even point at this internal high. Let's just flood higher, please. Alright, bros. Come on. Gotta respect this 1 minute here as we're toast. Fuck, dude, Mark's just refusing to move higher right now. I'm not a fan of the way that NQ looks, but we did, bro. We closed above this high, so it's like still a valid take, I feel like. Definitely a valid take. Especially after he has just inversed a fiver. There's definitely potential to retrace again and just take out a fucking order, but hopefully that doesn't happen. Oh my god, I forgot Kevin Warsh is speaking as well, or whatever the fuck his name is. No. Alright, dude, not an ounce in fucking profits. Let's get into some profits, boys. Let's get into some profits, boys. Come on. Doggy, doggy, doggy. Doggy, doggy, doggy. Doing well, though. Alright, bro. Why is market hesitating so fucking much? This isn't even a big move, bro. Literally at my entry, we lost all volatility. Okay, print straight up right now, please. NQ needs to figure its shit out, bro. We already priced in the high. Came down for some choppy ass retrace, and now we gotta continue up right now, please. Okay, let's reverse off of this 1 minute low we just took, please. It's really just looking smoked, though. I think we're fucked. I'm not even gonna hold you. Our only hope is to make a 1 minute SMT there. Alright, we're smoked. Alright. Fuck that, bro. I'll see you boys in the next one. Alright, boys. I'll see you boys in the next one. Peace.